The V-Series Rotary was designed for maximum performance and reliability, leveraging the features of the widely popular V-Series Contura rocker switches. Internally, the V-Series Rotary uses a patented mechanism that translates rotary to linear motion. This allows for common switch functionality and pinout with the rocker version. Therefore, no harness changes are required. A secondary cam, which helps drive the mechanism, provides definitive detent positions and prevents the switch from stopping between positions. The Rotary features an LED seal, a stem seal, and an innovative PC board that supports the LED and surface mount resistors. It also features up to 3 separate LEDs, a sturdy knob construction, and it fits into an industry standard panel opening. Together, these features make the V-Series Rotary switch ideal for on and off highway equipment, process control, instrumentation, and marine applications. For more details, please visit our website or contact our customer service department.